In a commanding and authoritative address before Parliament in Harare, Defense Minister Opamchunguri Kashiri firmly dismantled allegations suggesting that membership in ZANU-PF is prerequisite for joining the military. Sabina mashoko budanyo kwa pangwa ine budanyo kwa chinzi Opamchunguri defense ZDF integrity with the unstoppable legal authority and vision that was subscribed or like on the bell icon. Tendra Birmo budanyo kwa mchinzi with precision and constitutional clarity. She declared the discourse, reinforcing Zimbabwe's commitment to a professional, inclusive, and non-partisan defense force aligned with the national values. Standing on the firm foundation of the Constitution, Mr. Mchunguri underscored that the Zimbabwe Defense Forces is guided by Section 211, which enshrines its national character and political neutrality, dismissing the allegations as baseless. Hearsay. She projected legal confidence and institutional integrity, positioning Zimbabwe as a nation anchored in the rule of law, discipline, and democratic accountability under the leadership of Emmerson Mnangagwa. A detailed exposition of recruitment policy showcased a system built on fairness, transparency, and meritocracy, key pillars driving Zimbabwe towards Vision 2030 and the aspirations of National Development Strategy 2. By ensuring equal provincial representation in line with constitutional provisions, the Minister of Defense is actively fostering unity, inclusivity, and national cohesion, critical ingredients for sustainable economic growth and stability. Minister Mchunguri further demonstrated strategic foresight by addressing gender disparities within the forces, calling for increased participation of women to strengthen diversity and leadership across all ranks. Ministry's commitment to empowerment aligns seamlessly with the national transformation goals and ongoing legislative reforms, including the progressive trajectory envisioned under Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3, which seeks to consolidate governance, efficiency, and long-term national planning. Doma developments are good pangwa ine anachadreswa na Minister Opamchunguri. Bila comment section below zofungura email today pamzuri page ko each. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.